Welcome to Lin House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love.
Imagine a sanctuary nestled amidst the grandeur of nature, a small black wooden house perched precariously on the edge of a shimmering blue lake. This is no ordinary dwelling, it is a testament to the beauty of simplicity, a harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern comfort. The house, clad entirely in charred timber, appears almost to have grown from the very earth itself. The deep, inky black hue of the wood provides a striking contrast against the vibrant blue of the lake and the verdant green of the surrounding mountains. The design is minimalist, with clean lines and a focus on maximizing natural light and breathtaking views. Inside, the cabin exudes a sense of warmth and coziness. The floors are polished concrete, cool and inviting beneath bare feet. The walls, adorned with rough-hewn timber beams, add a touch of rustic charm. The furniture is simple and functional, with an emphasis on handcrafted pieces that reflect the natural beauty of the surrounding environment. The heart of the cabin is an open-plan living area, where the kitchen, dining, and living spaces flow seamlessly together. The kitchen, a masterpiece of minimalist design, is a haven for culinary enthusiasts. Sleek countertops of honed granite contrast with the warmth of custom-made wooden cabinetry. A large island, perfect for both cooking and socializing, anchors the space. The dining area, bathed in soft, natural light, features a custom-made table crafted from reclaimed wood, its weathered surface telling stories of a life lived outdoors. Comfortable seating surrounds the table, inviting conversation and shared meals. The living area is a sanctuary of tranquility. A plush sofa, upholstered in a rich, earthy fabric, faces a wall-mounted fireplace, where a crackling fire casts a warm glow on the cool concrete floor. Large windows offer panoramic views of the lake, the ever-changing hues of the water a constant source of fascination. Beyond the living area, a loft bedroom offers a secluded retreat. Accessed by a handcrafted wooden ladder, the loft features a queen-size bed draped in soft, natural linens. The sloping ceilings and exposed beams add a touch of rustic charm, while the large window offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Outside, the cabin seamlessly transitions into the surrounding landscape. A small deck, built from locally sourced timber, extends from the living area, offering a perfect spot for morning coffee and evening stargazing. A winding path leads down to the lake, where one can swim in the crystal-clear waters, kayak across the surface, or simply relax on the sandy shore. This small black cabin by the lake is more than just a house, it is a testament to the power of design to create a harmonious connection between human habitation and the natural world. It is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, to reconnect with nature, and to find solace in the beauty of simplicity.
Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.